Okay, today we are installing a dash cam harness into the 86. So I just took off the little panel piece that was right there. All you need to do, use a trim tool to pop it off. I started at this edge. I put a microfiber in between the trim piece and the thing so I didn't damage any of the plastics because it's kind of soft plastic. And now you need an 8mm socket to pull off these two bolts. There's two. Maybe I can make this off. Okay. So that was easier from pulling from where the eyesight camera was. So now I gotta find the 3-pin part. Okay, after looking around, the connection piece, the 3-pin, is right tucked back here and it's secured with some tape. So I'm going to cut that tape and I'm going to continue the install. Okay, so now we're hooked up. Here is where it attaches into. I just removed the tape. It's probably just tucked away because I don't have the home link mirror, but at some point if I want to add the home link mirror, which I probably will, it's going to go here. And then this is the little USB Type-C that I need to run out somewhere and just double-sided tape it. Okay, so now we're reinstalling the trim, and this part actually came out a lot easier than I thought it was going to come out. So I'm going to keep this slack coming out to the side here. Let's see if I have enough reach. No. Maybe if I come out the front, I'll have that reach. Make sure I have some slack there. So right now I'm just going to let it dangle for a little bit. I need to get a right angle USB-C so that it doesn't dangle. Maybe I could just tuck it into here if I don't get a right angle, and then I'll mount the dash cam somewhere in this area. Right now we're going to test it out and make sure everything works. Now we're testing for power. And we're on.
Recording started.
So we put this little cellophane sticker here where we want it, so that if you want to ever remove it, all you have to do is take off the sticker and that your double-sided tape. So I peel off the backing. Power on, make sure that we're in a good spot. And then we hold. Now we reinstall these 8mm bolts. Easy as that. And then we have our trim piece. Just put back on. Okay, so that's the install. Here's our dash cam. We have part of the cable run up into the headliner, and then it goes over or around the eyesight, and then our power adapter is sitting right here.
Recording started.